Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic. You guys already know by the title of the video that we are going to be talking about Agix token. But if we're looking at the overall markets, you guys can see we are starting to see a continuation of that bloodbath that we have been seeing over the past few days. We did see manipulation occur within the price of Bitcoin because as I've mentioned in my other videos that yesterday we were in a weekend, and on the weekends we do tend to see a lot of manipulation across the board. But as this week started, we have seen BTC retrace once again, and the entire market is bleeding right now. Now, we will get into that, but obviously, as I've mentioned, we are going to be talking about Agix token, what is going on with the price, and where is it going in the immediate short term. That's what we're going to cover. Look, majority of the markets, as I've mentioned, is down right now, but we're seeing Agix token up about 6.8% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. Right away, it is outperforming the entire cryptocurrency market, which is definitely a bullish thing to point out right now for you guys. Looking at the price right now, it is currently trading at 44 cents, up 6.7% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. Also up 6.9% in Bitcoin compared to over the last 24 hours. We're starting to see the overall market cap hold very strong at that $528 billion. I'm sorry, $1 million, not billion. It's $500 million. And the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at 170 million. So far, Agix token is looking really bullish, despite the fact that there's so much uncertainty within the markets right now. So AI tokens are still hyped up. There's a lot of traction coming into these projects, a lot of hype coming in after ChatGPT. And as you guys know, Agix across the AI coins, it has been one of the top performers, if not the biggest performer this cycle as we started off this year. But now, if we're focusing on the price, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. I wanted to share something very interesting with you guys. We are seeing something very, very nice happening with Agix token. That's exactly what I want it to be doing. If I do bring out the measuring tool for you guys, give you guys a better perspective as to how much the price has retraced from an all-time high. We have retraced only 34% since all-time high. Now, you may be saying that is crazy. Why are you so excited? Why are you so enthusiastic about the price retracing about 34%? Because let's remember, since the beginning of the year, it has pumped up 847%. Yes, you've heard that correct. And after having these kind of moves, consolidating only about 30% is a very, very healthy correction to have. And we are seeing Agix token do exactly what we wanted to be doing, trading above this level of resistance. Obviously, now it's playing as a level of support, which is at that 39 cents mark. We are seeing so much sideways movement over the past few weeks, to be quite frank with you guys now, and we are hovering within the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level. If you are a viewer on my channel, you guys know I treat this level as an all-time high zone, and just the right push, the right BTC momentum can really get this thing going towards an all-time high. If I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, from the current price level, we are currently about 51% away from an all-time high. But as I say that, we are seeing Agix token do very, very well compared to other altcoins, and overall not have much correlation with the price of Bitcoin, even though Bitcoin has been doing quite a bit of interesting things. As you guys can see, yesterday we did see it go all the way up to $24,000, but we are seeing once again a retracement happen. But again, we're above $22,000 mark. We do need this correction here and there, but I'm starting to hear a lot of different analysts come out and switch their tone on the markets. And a lot of people are saying interest rates are going to go up, and they have been going up. It's not that they haven't been going up, and obviously the overall financial economy globally is not looking too well, and that is going to affect cryptocurrency. Obviously, we have seen the statement hedge against inflation for the longest time. That Bitcoin is a hedge against inflation. It has shown the power that it can be one of the top performers in asset classes when you would compare traditional gold, whatever you want to name it. It's here to stay. But as I say that, remember, these whales will try to do the opposite, because now remember, people are going to think that Bitcoin is going to continue going up towards the upside in this massive uncertainty when global financial markets are not thriving compared to before. Things are not looking good, and Bitcoin is going to be the best asset, and a lot of people are going to be longing. And guess what? These whales are going to do. They're going to start shorting it, and these whales can manipulate the markets. We have seen this over and over again. So there's a lot of uncertainty coming in right now for the entire markets right now. A lot of people are switching their tone on it. Some people are even calling Bitcoin to go below $15,000. Yes, you've heard that right. I'm going to remain the same as long as we stay above $22,000 mark. As you guys know, on my channel, I'm going to remain bullish. And I've said this to you guys before too. If we lose this level of support at that $21,400 level, we have a high likelihood to see the price of Bitcoin go down to $18,000. Yes, I know no one wants to hear this, but this can definitely happen. But right now, things are looking very, very strong. Obviously, the overall narrative would change if we go above $25,140 level of resistance. I personally see this move going until spring, before we do see some sort of resistance here or there. But right now, a very, very decisive factor is in play for the price of Bitcoin. If we're looking at BTC dominance, on the other hand, it has been hovering around the same price, so not much has changed, but there's a lot of uncertainty coming up. Fear is going once again towards the higher end. But AGIX token, as far as that is concerned, has been holding really, really strong. That's exactly what we do need to see it keep doing. But obviously, as I say, that Bitcoin price needs to be closely examined. If Bitcoin does tumble over, I do see us being supported by this 39 cents level of support, and if that does not hold, we could even possibly start heading down to 33 cents level. But so far, it is more on the bullish end than the bearish. But that is it for today's update. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Come join the Patreon channel down below if you guys want to have a one-on-one conversation with me, talk crypto, what to look out for, talk exit strategy, everything crypto related. Come join that link in the description box below. And that is it for today's update. I'll see you guys tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.